Hey guys, so I'm just going to make a quick DIY primer for your face, and I did this years ago and I have an updated recipe. So all you need really quickly, since this is for Instagram, just a regular container, and what you do is you're going to need, I'm going to use vitamin E cream, St. Ives Collegen Elastin, some cornstarch, baby powder, and I like to add some more moisturizer, cocoa butter, cream, that's optional. And then I like to use my foundations because I use 2 different foundation colors for my skin. But you can put one foundation if you have just one foundation you use. And the most important is aloe vera gel, because this makes your face stop from the redness and all that. So this is important. Okay, so all you do is just mix all of it together, and I have the little plastic fork. And it really doesn't matter how much you put in it, it's just basically you're eyeing it. A lot of people say, oh, what is the amount and all that? It's not really a specific amount. I mean, I'm not saying just take the whole foundation and all that. Just put, so what you do, what I do is I put first, let's see here. I put vitamin E cream first. A little bit like this, so, just that much. And you can make a big batch if you want to, but I just like to start small. I just put all the moisturizers in first. By the way, do you like my lights? I'll show you them later. Okay, so then just a little bit of that, like that. And I use the collagen because I'm not 12 anymore, so. And then just a little bit of the cocoa butter cream. This much to put in. Really doing this really quick. And I'm going to put 2. Now this one is caramel, so it's the darker one, so I just put just a little bit because it comes out really fast. And that just gives you a little color to it. So, and then this is the lighter one. This is the Revlon Age Defying in Early Tan. And this, pretty much. So this is how much I put in it. You just put, that's it. And then the baby powder. I use baby powder under my eyes as a translucent powder. That's how I get bright eyes. If you guys want to see a tutorial, I will do that. And so you just mix it together. And you guys can see my old one from years ago if you want. I'm going to add a little bit of a tan. You can see my old DIY one, but I updated a little bit. I think I just added different products. I kept the aloe vera gel. I used that before, and I used the vitamin E cream and foundation. But I added St. Ives, the collagen elastin, and I think I added cocoa butter before. But the baby powder is new too. And that's it. So just mix it together, and it should be like that color. And you just use it as a face primer. I'm telling you. It is amazing. Like, I use other primers. I use, primers from the store. I use, I use the e.l.f. one. I use the Amazing Cosmetics one. I love that one. But I'm a little biased because my staple was always my own homemade one, and it always made my face really, really like smooth, and just, so this is how my face, see how bright? That's because of my batch. So I love this one, this recipe that I have, so I'm going to keep this for a while, but it's almost similar to my BB cream, so I'm going to do a BB cream tutorial too. So that's it. That's my DIY homemade face primer. So hope you guys like it. Try it out, see if you like it, and if you have any questions about it, just let me know. So bye guys.